Okay, here we are with that broken dowel. We've cleaned out both dowels, we've drilled them out, we've worked our way up from the size, small diameter up to the big diameter. We're gonna put the dowel back in the hole it came out of with a new fresh dowel. This is a store-bought dowel. It's a 3/8 inch diameter. It's really strong. It's made out of hard wood, and it'll last for a long time in this chair. We're gonna make sure we get all of our glue scraped off here. It's a lot easier to do it when the dowel's out of there versus putting it in and trying to work around it. The secret to replacing an old dowel is plenty of glue. A lot of people put a little bit of glue on the dowel and stick it in there. Some people put a drop in the hole and shove it in there. What works best is to do both. And get something smaller diameter that'll fit in the hole fairly easily. We'll apply the glue and just work it around in the hole. Get the whole area surrounded by glue. When you know the pencil's all covered in glue, you know you're there. Again, with our wet rag, keep it clean. We want to also apply glue to the dowel. Just use your finger. You can use a little brush. Either one works well. Back to our hammer. Set the dowel. Right now we want to clean off the excess because we're not ready to put that back together yet. We're just trying to fix any of the old damage around the chair and replace all these old broken dowels. Once we do that, we'll be ready to reassemble the back.